Okay guys, welcome to the next devlog of Pothole Dodger. This is Dev. So in this devlog I plan to add grass and rocks to show up on the sides as you drive. Then we'll see rocks and grasses. And then after that, also plan to add more cars, so you can buy more cars of different prices. And then also would like to add or clean up the UI, because this is just standing UI and want to change the fonts and everything. So I want the UI to look better. And then lastly, also want to fix the system where you change screen size so that the whole thing doesn't change size. Okay, so after spending way too long on this system, I managed to get grass and stuff to spawn on the sides. Yeah, so for some reason the left hand side wasn't working, but eventually I got it. So now I just need to add different sprites for rocks and so on, and also just need to have a initializer so that on the beginning there'll be grass over here as well, because currently there isn't any. Okay, so the first thing you'll notice is that I have grass and rocks that spawn here, and they're different types randomly. And then another thing is when I play, then it resets and everything kind of spawns in again. So I want to see if I can create a transition for that, so like just not the sudden jump of it. But right now, yeah, you can just play and it will randomly select a costume basically to show for the rocks and grass and everything. I'm sorry if the video is lagging. My computer does struggle a bit because there's like a lot of entities now being spawned for the grass and rocks. Okay, so next up I designed all the cars, and yeah, I've got 5 new cars. And this one looks weird, so I'm going to see what you guys vote for. Hopefully you don't vote for this one, but I'm going to put this up as a poll and you can vote for which cars I should add to the game. Okay, so I've added quite a bit of code for the autoload and then the car and then in each of my main scenes for all the car stuff. And if I run the main scene, okay, now that once I'm in the game, I already set it so I have lots of money. So now I can see which ones I can buy. This one's already equipped. Okay, I need to fix that still. Okay, buy. Okay, now I can't buy this one yet. Even though I have enough money, I have to buy the first one. And then I have to buy the next one. And the next one. Okay, so now I can choose which one to equip. So I can equip this one, the one that you guys voted the most for. And I have my things already set out for it, and you can see there's a lot more health. The fuel bar is just a percentage, so it goes according to the percentage. And then there's also a little thing that I can like accelerate a bit faster in this car, so I might use a little bit more petrol per liter, per kilometer, but I can accelerate faster, which means I can probably travel a longer distance in the end, and I still have quite a bit more fuel in this car. So yeah, I coded all the stats inside, so you can't really see them on the outside. Yeah, but next up, I actually need to work on my UI system because, okay, this looks okay, but like my shop UI definitely needs some working on, and my fonts that I use, I need to change that as well. Okay, so now I've finished everything, so I've added like a little UI thing to make it fade in and out, and then I have this exit button to close. So all I need to do now, okay, after showing this, all I need to do now is to go to the project, in project settings, go to the window, and then I need to set it on full screen, and also make the mode to 2D so that it can change the size properly. Okay. Now if I run the game, we have our Pothole Dodger game now loaded in, and I can go here, view the UI that I've added and everything. I've got all my stuff sorted out, and I can also close, I can play, and loads, and goes through a transition effect that I added, and then I can just have a little bit of gameplay. I've already tested out the gameplay a little bit myself off camera, and yeah, it's okay. It's a good game. I think I still need to do some more polishing up, and I'll probably include that in my last devlog, which will be the next one I'll work on. Okay, hopefully you guys enjoyed this devlog, and hopefully you don't crash like I just did. Subscribe, hit the like button please, and see you guys in the next devlog.